Hello guys, Are here. Welcome back to Connect with Uganda. Today I'm in an area called Kirowoza in Mukono district. Mukono district is one of the metropolitan areas of Kampala. It's just right next to Kampala. So today we have a 4-bedroom house that we are going to look at. This is the neighborhood. There is farming going on. There is cassava. It's a very nice, beautiful morning. The weather is a little bit chill. It has been raining, but I'm excited for this video and I'm going to give you a tour of this lovely house right here. This is the entrance, so come guys and let us look at it. So this is the compound. It is quite big actually. There is also enough size of a balcony, and then we are going to enter inside the house. Welcome inside the house. This is the living area. It is very spacious. You have a window here, very big enough to let in ample light inside the house. You also have an emergency switch, so in case of any problem, anyone can just do that to alert everyone in the house. And then you also do have a nice stone finishing on the wall. I actually like this. It gives this like a very nice homely feel. And then you have a fire extinguisher right here. And then from the living room, this leads you right into the kitchen. The kitchen, guys, a lady's favorite place. So we do have space for the cooker right here, and the sockets for it. A nice countertop, a black in color. I love black. You can just do all your whatever preparations here, and then of course where you can wash your utensils in the sink. We do have some cabins for storage. You can just put your spices, items, whatever you want right in there, or your pans, your spans. And then down as well we do have more storage space down here. Right here is the space for the fridge, and there is a socket for it. So this is the kitchen, guys. So we're going to head back to the living room and then look at the bedrooms. So guys, all the bedrooms face the living room. We have the master bedroom here, we have the kids bedroom here, and then we have 2 more bedrooms over here. But right now let's first go into the master bedroom and look at it. Welcome to the master bedroom. We have a very large window right over here. There is ample light in this master bedroom. Over here we do have the master bathroom, which is also very big and spacious enough. You have your shower, you have your toilet, you have a sink and some storage space for your toiletries, and then you also do have a mirror as well. Guys, so we're going to look at bedroom number 2. So right from the living room you still walk inside here, and then when you walk this side you come into the bathroom. From the second bedroom we are going to go right into the 3rd bedroom. We do have a big window to allow in ample lighting and nice white walls as well. Bedroom number 3 and bedroom number 4 look alike. So the house has 4 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, and then there is an outside toilet. So that is it, guys. Let's go outside and I show you like the backyard and the balcony and the environment as well. Guys, this balcony is for the kitchen that I showed you earlier. So from the inside kitchen we'll walk to the back kitchen. You guys just have to come and follow me. Here you can put your, if you cook with charcoal, maybe some people like to use charcoal or firewood, so you can put your charcoal stoves inside here and just cook your food inside here. And then you also have an area like where to do your dishes or whatever you want to wash from the outside. This area right here is where you can do your laundry, and then of course you do have the perimeter wall all around the house, and that goes with how big the plot of the land is, which is 50 by 100. So when you come on the outside, guys, the compound is big enough if you want to host a party, have your friends around, put up a tent. It's really big space. And then right in my background where you see the water tanks, there is a toilet for your workers or your maid or whoever you want to use the outside toilet. That option is available as well. So let me know what you think about this property, and if you are interested, I'm going to leave my details in the description and in the comment section on top as well. And of course be sure to download the guide to learn how to buy a property in Uganda, whether you are a foreigner or Ugandan living in the diaspora. I'm going to leave the link as well. Thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next next video. Bye bye.